Hi everyone, today let's make a popular Indian breakfast, poha. For this, first heat some oil in a pan and then roast some peanuts. Once it starts cracking from the center, that means it is done and you can remove it from the pan. Then in the same oil add some mustard seeds, curry leaves, finely chopped onions, green chilies and some carrots. Cook it till the onions turn golden brown. Now I had separately boiled some green peas which I'll be adding in this. Now add some salt and turmeric powder and cook it for around 2 to 3 minutes. After that, add the poha which I had washed and kept aside for around 10 minutes. Add it in the pan and mix it well so that it gets the even yellow color. Sprinkle some water and cover and cook it for around 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, your poha is ready. Garnish it with roasted peanuts. Serve it hot with your tea and enjoy.